Welcome, here I've got Poco M3 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage, and now we have to focus on show grid lines button because leveler is connected here. Now let's tap to the bottom of it and automatically we turn on the grid lines. Here let's focus on straighten, just one tap to turn on our leveler, another tap to turn it off, and when it's turned on we can see it here with the grid lines. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And of course when we don't need it we have to move back to right corner button and settings and turn it off here or here as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.